Creating a quiz with Faabul is easy. See for yourself. Click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account with us, create one. When you are logged in, switch to My Quizzes and click the New Quiz button in the upper right corner. On the next screen, type the name of your quiz or write down instructions for AI to create your quiz. Your quiz is made up of a series of slides. Type the title of your quiz on the first slide. The second slide shows you the first question of the quiz. You can also include slides with detailed explanations, images, and more. You can drag and drop the slides in the left column to change their order. Tap the three dots next to a slide to add content to the slide. Duplicate the slide, remove it, or add new slides to a specific location. Tap the plus button in the left column to add a new slide at the end of your quiz. The empty slide shows you the basic options to customize its content. Buttons with the stars icon use AI to edit your quiz content. You can view your quiz by clicking the Preview button. And when you are ready, you can start the live quiz game using the Host button. And now it is your turn to create a quiz. Give it a try.